Okay, my name is Richie. I am 27 years old and I'm from Los Angeles, California. I found TJ Hair System on TikTok actually, and I just kept scrolling down their page and just felt comfortable. I had a consultation. I had actually messaged a couple of people who have been here asking for like their opinions, and everybody was ranting and raving, so here we are. Honestly, it's really beautiful. I had my own room. I had my own really nice bathroom. I got to take a shower this morning, so that was great. Yeah, and the staff is extremely helpful, very nice. I have been learning Spanish for the past 49 days because I wasn't sure like if I would be able to communicate, but then I got here and everyone speaks English. So that was really easy. The doctors and nurses are extremely knowledgeable and helpful. Anytime that I even opened my eyes, everyone was like, "Are you okay? Do you need anything?" I'm like, "No, like I'm just here." Like they were all like always on top of it. Last night, anytime I hit my nurse call button, she was there in 10 seconds or less. I counted. I was looking at a couple different places. In the States, it's way too expensive. You could buy like 3 cars for the price of a hair transplant. I knew a couple of people who went to Turkey, but I'm terrified of flying and I would never survive a 24-hour flight like looking like this and having to do all of that. Coming to Tijuana was like maybe 2 hours from Los Angeles. I got picked up by a lovely driver and our ride here was 25, 30 minutes, maybe. And I got dropped off and we were right in it. The whole team was like consistently contacting me. Like I knew my driver, I knew what he looked like, his license plate number, I knew what kind of car he was driving. He was like calling me and coordinating with me. So that made me feel really safe. And then just like getting here and everyone is nice and friendly and educated and knows exactly what they're doing. It was so easy. No reason to be scared. If you want to get a hair transplant, I think you should just do it because I've been researching this for the past 2 years. And if I would have just done it 2 years ago, I would have a full head of hair right now. But instead I'm starting now because I was too scared. So don't be scared and just do it. Yeah, it's not that hard. It was not painful. I mean, I'm here, smiling, happy, ready to rock. So, let me add something. Also, I knew I would be staying a night in a hospital and everybody knows that hospital food is not good. But I got to pick 3 meals. I got a breakfast, a lunch, and a dinner to choose, and all of them were phenomenal. It wasn't like hospital food. Like it felt like someone like took their time to like make it, and I got woken up to like a lovely breakfast, and it was awesome. So that's a plus.